Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to my channel if you are the old subscriber, but if you're a new subscriber, you are also welcome. Please remember to click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. This channel is all about helping families that are living in Germany but cannot understand German language, helping them to teach their children at home some mathematical problems from primary 1 to 6, Grundschule erste Klasse to sixth class, and we are doing all this thing in English language, teaching them mathematics using English language to help them to understand it very well, so that when they get to school, it will not be very difficult for them to learn. And when they bring back House of Gabriel, it will also not be difficult for you as a mother to teach them these mathematical problems that are given in German using English language. So let's jump right into this video. Today we'll be looking at Multiplizieren und Dividieren, Schrittweise, Klasse 3, multiplication and addition using breakdown method. We have done this with addition and subtraction. If you have not watched that video, please check my other videos on that, and it will help you a very long way. So let's say we have some examples like this, maybe 14 times 2, and offhand a child might not know what it really means or how to solve it. So to break it down for the child to understand it better, first of all, what you will do is you do 10 times 2, and it will give you 20. Then you know that 4 is remaining up here, then you do it again 4 times 2 again, and it will give you 8. And what you do here is simply add these 2 up. 8 will come here, and then 2 will come there. You have 28. Automatically the child will know that 14 times 2 is 28. 14 mal 2 sind 28. So we'll do another one. Let's say we have 13 times 6, so we'll do it like the way we did here. First of all, 10 times 6 will give you 60, and then 3 times 6 will give you 18, and you add this up. 0 plus 8 will give you 8, and 6 plus 1 will give you 7, and it's 78. Accentuation here, don't forget to write here, it's 28. Accentuation. So let's do it again. Let's say we have, now we will go a little bit higher. We have 84 mal 5. So 84 times 5, or 84 mal 5. Then you have, first of all, you do 80 times 5. Remember, if you look at 80 times 5, it's a little bit big. So what you do is you first of all do 5 times 8, and 5 times 8 will give you 40. So you put this 0 also in front of here to be 400. So now we will do again 4 times 5, okay? And 4 times 5 will give you 20. You write it down here, okay? And you add this up, it will give you 0, 2, and then 4. It will give you 420. So it's 4 times 5 will give you 420. And you do another one here, say you do 63 times 4, okay? We say all over again. We'll do 60 first of all. 60 times 4 will give you 4 times 6 will give you 24, and you put this 0 in front of 4 here, and then you will now do 3 times 4 will give you 12. Then you add it up again. 0 plus 2, 2. This plus this is 5, and then you have it here, 252. So let's do this again in division. Sorry, I made mistake up here. It's supposed to be multiplication and division. Okay, division. So let's do it in division. Okay, where you have, for example, you have 105 and you want to divide it into 7. Okay, let's say 7. Now you know that 7 cannot divide, 100 cannot divide, you cannot divide 100 to 7, you understand? So what you do is to look to at the nearest number that can divide, you know, that 7 can divide without any remainder. So what you will do is you consider maybe that 5 should divide 7, 35 into 7, you have 5, but that 5 is still very far away to 100. So you now go a little bit further and you say, maybe you say 70. 70 divided by 7 will give you, first of all, it will give you 10. Okay, then what is remaining here? Now you do minus of guard. Yeah, so 5 minus 0 will give you 5. Then 10 minus 7 will give you 3. Now you have 35. So 35 divided by 7 will give you 5. You do again, you add up here, and you have 5, and you have 1, then you have 15. Okay, so let's take another example. Maybe we have 144 divided by 8. I don't know how to solve it. It's quite simple, the same thing we did here. 8 cannot divide 144, so we'll look to the nearest number that 8 can divide. So, and that is 80 divided by 8. So it will also give you 10. Okay, to give you 10. Then we'll do my minus of carbon, minus of carbon. So 4 minus 0 will give you 4. Then 14 minus 8 will give you 6. Then 64 divided by 8 is 8. So now you do plus of the number again. 0 plus 8 is 8, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Then the final answer is 18. So now you see how I did it. First of all, we did the one of mal of carbon, that is the multiplication, and I showed 4 examples, and here we did some divisions. Okay, I hope this will help your child better to understand how this mathematical problem goes and how it can be very easy to solve it with your child using an English language which you understand better. Please subscribe once again to my channel, share with family and friends, and be blessed till we see in some other video. Bye.